Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to lock column width in Excel. So guys, as you can see over here, I can adjust the width. So in order for you to lock that, you will just simply select this one over here to select all, and now go for the number over here and select this small icon, numbers format, and you will have your protection, and make sure to uncheck this one, unlocked, and just simply select OK. Now go for the review at the top over here and go for the protect sheet over here. And after that, you could just simply go ahead and select everything over here, and just simply don't select the format column. And after that, just simply select OK. And from here, you will not be able to adjust the width, and it is now locked. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like, and thanks for watching.